What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to build an elevator. So it's actually very simple, but pistons being nerfed in this game kind of makes it harder because they don't work if something is, if another piston is on top of them for whatever reason. So you cannot make a very long elevator anymore, but you can make a short one. So you just want to build little corners like this. And once you got your corners, you want to place a piston here, piston here, piston here, and piston there. Now, you want to take a rubber block and you want to scale it over like that. But make sure the sides are not touching. And now, place down the lever. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot to unanchor. You unanchor, and then you flick the lever, and now you can go up and down. So now you can just customize your elevator to make it look cool, and that's it. So, if I were to customize this, I would get these and I would get the other side up. And then this side up. And this. Sorry, this is a little uneven. But you don't even have to do this part. Your elevator is basically already done. I'm just customizing mine. Okay, and if you want to, you can add a more realistic way to walk onto the elevator by using kind of like little staircase pieces. You can probably just use these. Like that, so you can walk onto this piece right here to get onto the elevator. Then you can just color it whatever you want. Coloring. Okay, so now I take this and I can add rubber block right there. Scale it over. Hold on, these towers are a little uneven. There we go. And now I can place the glass up here for a nice little windowsill. Color that black. Well, I say white so the window doesn't blend in. Oh, I can just take a rubber block, put it down here, make sure it's still not touching the elevator. It is touching the elevator, that's horrible. Also, you can't really make the steps thing if it's completely touching the elevator, you need to make sure it is only like a little bit away. So I kind of messed up on that, so I had to delete it, but it is what it is. It's not touching. Not exactly. Okay. Now, let's add some more walls. Like so. Let's place a block right. Hold on, that's not good. Right there. 0.1. You don't have to scale blocks at 0.1 for this, but I'm just doing it so the block touches the side of touches the wall of the elevator. So now I can put scale to 1. Smooth. And now we can build this up. Black, white. Yeah, I'm going for like a white and black kind of elevator. I don't even know if these even exist. I'm kind of just decorating it and going with it. So now let's go back to these, and I'm going to try again on placing these. I can't have it touch the elevator. Is that touching? Yes. If that is touching, and I unanchor it, it's still going to be touching. But the piston will not work if that's there because of stupid nerfs. No, it's touching something else. What is it touching? I think it's this wall right here. That good? It's this wall too. Oh my god, bro. That wall is not correctly placed. I did not realize what I was doing there. If you're gonna add walls, then just make sure they're not touching the elevator. So I can't have that there. Boom. There we go. The elevator is retractable again. Okay, so now we need a roof. I don't think I have enough of these blocks to make a roof though. Okay, we got that. And now I just have to infinitely do this. Yeah, I don't have enough blocks to build like a villager kind of house thing. Minecraft coming soon. Minecraft soon. Minecraft soon. Okay, the trailer is next. Minecraft trailer is next. It's probably not the next video. I will still post more Roblox videos. And maybe even the first Cookie Run video. I don't know. I don't even know if Cookie Run can even get a proper trailer because Cookie Run Cookie Run is literally gonna be hard to crop clips off of. And it's not even gonna have my voice over it. It's just gonna have music. It's probably gonna have like very calm music. yeah, I don't know. And it's gonna be probably me recording it on my iPad because I do not have Cookie Run Kingdom on my computer at all. Okay, so I guess this would kind of be the finishing project for the see, and I don't want this video to be too long. It's already 10 minutes long, so I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope the people watching this who somehow were not able to make an elevator know how to make an elevator now. Sorry for the glitch lever.